Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about the retrieve system value command or RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so for that reason, I have created one demo program. So I'm taking this program in edit mode, and like for this command also we will take three variable in each session, and we will cover the entire command values as we did for the last command which we discussed, retrieve job attribute command. Okay, so in each session we will take three values and we will discuss on it. So first of all, we have to declare the variable here. So on from line number 10 to line number 12 we are declaring three variable, and to the type and length we will identify from the official website of the IBM, because there only you will find the length and type which we need to declare for retrieving these three information or for further variable also. Okay, so first variable is QABNORMSW, then we have QACGLVL, and then we have QACTJOB. So what is these variable and what value we are retrieving from it? For that purpose, like for to identify that, we need to hit the command which is RTVSYSVAL. So just write RTVSYSVAL, then take F4, and here you can pass the system value as variable name. So I'm means you have to pass your system value. So to know about the system value, you have to press F1, and here it is mentioned that QABNORMSW. So this is the first value. Basically on this screen you will find all the values that we can retrieve from this command. So first value we are retrieving is QABNORMSW. So what is this? It is previous end of system indicator. So basically it will give the indication whether the previous end was normal or abnormal. This value cannot be changed. Here 0 means previous end was normal, 1 means previous end was abnormal. Okay, now the second value we are retrieving is QACG level. What is this? It is accounting level, and changes made to the system value, this system value take effect for job started after the changes made. It will return three values. First is star none, second is star job, and third is start mint. So what is star none? Star none means no accounting information is written to a journal. Now what is star job? It means job resource use is written to a journal. And if we talk about the star print, then it is mentioned here, spool and printer file resources use is written to a journal. So these three information we will retrieve with the help of this value, which is QACG level or accounting level. Now the third one is QACT job. Here it is mentioned initial number of active job for which storage is allocated. So it will return that value. Changes made to the system value take effect at the next IPL. So whenever the IPL performed, the value got changed. So from here we will identify all the values with their description. Now what we need to do, out of those values which we want to retrieve. So I want to retrieve the first value here. So I'm passing as it is. So just need to press F1, copy it from here, which value you want to retrieve, and then paste it here in sysval. Okay. So this time we are telling that this value we want to retrieve. Now we have to pass the variable where we want to retrieve it. So I am passing RT and VR means retrieve return value variable as same. So I keep the variable name same just for the better understanding. So here in this variable we will get the value. So once this line number 16 got executed, we will get the value in this variable. Similarly, I am retrieving the other two values also, which is ACG level, account level. So I pass, just do the F1, copy your value name here, then paste it here, and return variable you can pass which you have declared in the program. And in same way we have declared the third we have used the retrieve sysvalue command for retrieving the QACT job. Now we got the information. Now it's time to print the value. So to print the value we are using sndpgmmsg command. So I'm writing sndpgmmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable name. If the variable is in character type, then you can pass it directly, otherwise you need to convert it to character. So I'm converting it to character. Okay, so we are done with these things. Now it's time to compile it and see the output. So I'm compiling it, calling it. So first value it is returning as 1, which means previous end was abnormal. If I do page down, the second value I'm getting is star none, and third value I'm getting is 500. 500 means the initial active were, let's check it. So doing F1 account for abnormal, we get 1, which means the previous end was abnormal. Accounting level we got as star none, which means no accounting information is written to a journal. And Q active job we got as 500, which means initial number of active jobs for which storage is allocated. So there are 500 jobs for which the storage is allocated. So this is how we can utilize this RTVSYSVAL command. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss the further topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.